So this is a drawing graphs from a table of values. You can see to do table of values because that's what they do. So for 2 marks, we're going to complete the table of values. I always normally start with a positive x first to get warmed up. So you've been told the x coordinate is 1. You then substitute into this to get your y value. It clearly says y is equal to x squared plus 2x. So x is 1. 1 squared is 1 plus, notice I wrote my plus already, and then 2 times x, 2 times 1 is 2. So in this case, it is 3. Then you move to the negative, and this is where you have to be careful. This is where they're expecting you to make mistakes. It clearly says y equals x squared plus 2x. The first hurdle is minus 2 squared is 4, not. Even if you put on your calculator and you do this and you go, I believe this came from a calculator paper. If you do this, your calculator will say this, and that's wrong. You need to put a bracket around your calculator if you want it to do it properly. Minus 2 squared, we should know, is positive 4. Okay? Because minus 2 times minus 2 is positive 4. Then I'm going to copy down the plus from the formula. Then I'm doing 2 times x. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And we all know the second mistake people make is they forget the plus or they forget the minus. Yeah, don't. The plus came from the formula, and that 2 times minus 2 was minus 4. We all know a plus and a minus make us a minus. That gives us 0. Now we have it. That's 2 marks. We then plot to draw the graph. What you have in your table of values are your coordinates. So we have x is 1 and y is 3. X is 0, y is 0. X is minus 1, y is minus 1. X is minus 2 and y is 0. And x is minus 3 and y is 3. And then you nice and smoothly do this. Also, it's worth knowing that when you have a positive x squared, the graph looks like this. When you have a negative x squared, it will look like this. This then tells you if you've made a mistake or not.